During the hottest time of the year, the majority of the labor force exposed to heat will call in sick or simply leave. In warehousing and logistics alone, U.S. Department of Labor estimates that absenteeism increases by 44% when it's hot. A Center for American Progress study found that the average cost to replace an employee for high turnover, low-skilled jobs is roughly 16% of their annual salary, averaging $5,300 per lost employee year. This equates to $3 an hour of added turnover costs. However, when it is hot, warehouse turnover increases by 50%. Thereby, an additional $1.50 an hour of cost is attributed to attrition caused by heat. While $1.50 per hour is no small change, it pales in comparison to the cost of turnover for employees who manually load trailers. Our customers repeatedly tell us that trailer loading staff turnover increases so dramatically in the summer that many employees fail to last a week. The increased summer cost of trailer loading employees therefore can easily exceed an additional $10 per hour per employee.